This is the agenda I want to cover today, beginning with trying to describing just what view merging actually is, view or subquery merging, what the optimizer is doing. And then we'll move on to looking at how it happens. The point here is that the cost-based optimizer should do view merging for you when it is appropriate. Trust Uncle Oracle. The cost-based optimizer should look after you. But there are occasions when the cost-based optimizer simply can't do the job, and it needs help. And this is often the case, by the way, when DBAs and developers actually have to work together. There's a novel concept, isn't there? Now, in an ideal world, the developer writes code that fills a business need, and the DBA configures the database to run that code efficiently. Well, sometimes that clean distinction simply doesn't work. And that's why our flagship SQL tuning course is for developers and DBAs. We have to work together on this. Now, what do I mean by that? The developers need to understand what the database is doing to the SQL. And that's a particular case where view merging can often cause problems. So I'll go through examples of view merging, when it works, when it doesn't work, and I'll try to illustrate all this with suitable examples of how we can rewrite the code to allow more view merging, and certainly demonstrate how it can usually be a very good capability of the optimizer that will help your code run much better.